This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2550DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 29 feet 4 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV, self-contained, air conditioning, awning, skylight, smoke detector, LP detector, microwave, refrigerator, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, Murphy bed, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.